Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix fast charging not working on the VIVO X300. Let's begin! So, first of all, you want to go into your settings, then scroll down a little and enter battery. Then you can scroll down once again, go into battery health and charging, and finally we have fast charging settings. And as you can see, by default this is, if I remember correctly, disabled. So you want to just make sure that it's enabled, and now your fast charging should be working without any issues. Also, if you have troubles with fast charging but the wireless one, make sure that this is actually enabled and we know where the location is, so you have just easier time using the setting. But that's basically all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.